In the currency quadrant, in the futures, the Japanese yen futures got below its 50-day moving average for its third consecutive day lower, down about 1/3%. And it looks like stimulus is ahead for the country of Japan. Data showing a drop in supermarket sales in the first week after the sales tax hike that took place October 1st. Drops of 10 to 20% were seen across the country. So it looks like the economy, according to Prime Minister Shinzo Abe, which he thought it would be strong enough to absorb this, at least in the short term, doesn't feel like it's strong enough. We do still need more data to be serious about that statement, simply because sometimes what happens when an event like this is known by the populace, some pre-shopping is done, tax comes out, post-shopping not done as much, but the country of Japan is very well known as sort of a fresh food grocery shopper. So it's not likely that that's the case with at least grocery shopping. But it is already taking a hit, and it's looking like the Bank of Japan is going to need to put more stimulus, which is something they did not commit to doing, but suggested they might do at their last meeting when they left rates and stimulus plans the same. Data due tonight out in the Japanese economy, Japanese manufacturing tool orders along with bank lending are due tonight. So those could potentially have an effect on the currency, again, after the 3-day decline that we've seen. And then the dollar was up again for 3 days in a row as well. Dollar up today about a little less than 1/3%. The FOMC minutes that came out today didn't really show that the Fed was on a massive easing schedule. More showed that they thought it was sort of a risk management cut, the cuts that they've done so far, and that they were also looking about at an ending date for these cuts, as well as being concerned about economic growth globally and trade. So all of this has added up to a fairly weak day for the Japanese yen.